Good morning, everybody. This is my sad duty to inform you that one of our passengers sadly passed away last night, and also whatever health issues he was struggling with, I'm told by the doctor were not infectious. So the ship is safe when it comes to that.
船内で1人目の死者が出た時も、アナウンスは自然死を伝えるものでした。これまでに5人に感染が確認され、そのうちのオランダ人夫妻、ドイツ人の3人が亡くなりました。
Over 12 to 24 hours, it became clear that there were a number of people sick and that they were getting sicker, and a lot of fever, fatigue, flushing, some GI issues, some shortness of breath. At the time, neither one of them looked critically